Hi guys, we are here in the living room because no choice. This box is too big. So I hope the item itself inside will be a little smaller. So we have here a pretty good eBay deal for €1 plus 30 euros of shipping from Austria, which is, I believe, not too bad even considering the size and the weight of the item. So if you remember onto the My Electric Stuff channel of a teardown of the Oriba blood analyzer, guess what? For €1 I got a small blood analyzer from Nihon Kohden. So it seems to be a pretty old one. Of course, I will take all the necessary precautions when taking this apart. But it seems it was not used in a very long time anyway. So it looks like it is very well packed. So it is one of my best ever eBay deals. The ratio of size versus price, really, you cannot beat this. Oh, it is nice. We have styrofoam. We have a lifetime stock of bubble wrap. And we have the item itself, which I will try to lift. Maybe. Power cable. Oops. And yes, as expected, it is not light. Well, it could be worse actually. Here it is. So do you see it? I need to modify the camera angle a little bit. So we have in this big box Nihon Kohden Celtac Alpha blood analyzer model number MEK 6318K. So of course it will be an interesting teardown. Looks like here we have the sample, other thing, some controls, and on the other side, not much in fact, just serial, parallel and printer port, looks like, power plug, very nice construction, it is Japan made. On the side here, the inlets for cleaner, diluter and waste. So you want to hook a tube onto waste when you clean the device. I will probably clean it with bleach, make a clean circle with bleach. For now I am checking if I can possibly bring power. It will be the power from the camera, I guess. Just 1 second. Just in order to see if it is alive or not. Okay. I need to move this like so. Do not man the wire in the way. And of course the power input is on the other side. Okay, so it is plugged. The breaker did not trip yet. I will zoom a little bit for you on the display because it is probably where the fun will happen. Power, power, power. Oh, we have some signs of life. Well, that seems to be a initializing cycle. Nothing over the display so far. It is making very weird noise. So this thing is very heavy, not far from 20 kilos. So no doubt it is full of stuff. And it will be a very nice teardown. For €1, I will not complain, and the same seller has other stuff of the same kind, analytic instruments, health instruments, and so on. So I may get more of them. In fact, I was searching for ultrasound probe chip on German eBay. I did not find one, but I did find this thing. And I believe it will be more interesting than an ultrasound probe anyway. So it is still not doing much. Maybe I have a contrast, yes, setting here for the display. Here we are. Checking diluent, please wait. And you know what? The date and the time are correct. Quite amazing. So I guess it can take very long. And I guess it is trying to prime diluent. So I will probably need to hook some bottles with little pipes on the side in order to give it some fluid to manipulate. Priming. But there is nothing to prime, so I believe pipes inside are completely dry. We have here a little printer. Trying to keep the paper like so. Black and white display, so probably it is a very old device. Still making more noise. I guess it will end by an error about priming. But really this thing is making weird noises. No diluent, no lysing, press the clean key. Prime error, yes, it is expected as you have no fluid to prime. It is a touch screen. We have a lot of things, but we will go through them in another video probably. Calibration history, operation history, print day, maintenance. Maybe there is a password for maintenance. Oh, there is a lot of things to play with, guys. Calibration history. Calibrated for the last time is in November of 2015. Really not bad. We will try the printer. No printer action. Operation history. There are things about the filters to reset and so on. We have drain, we have clean, we have unit check. Really a nice toy to play with, probably. I am very happy of this eBay find for €1. Really cool. So I need to put it to the second floor where my lab is. And probably first thing first, try to do cleaning cycles with bleach in order to be sure to clean any potential biohazard thing inside. But really a nice device. raining. It is doing a lot of stuff. And I can hear a lot of device inside actually being on the home. So stay tuned for upcoming videos on the teardown of this thing. Maybe not this weekend. I will try to start videos about it maybe next week, but you can expect it will be interesting. And in the meantime, I will try to find the service manual, because in fact on the eBay photo I was not able to read the number at the bottom, so I could not check with a specific model number of the device. Okay, thanks for watching, bye bye.